What if I told you that switching to a completely non-toxic home didn't mean sacrificing cleanliness or spending more time and money, but actually meant cleaning smarter, more efficiently, and more effectively than ever before? What if I documented my entire 90-day transformation from a home filled with chemical products to a genuinely non-toxic household and discovered things I never expected along the way? I started this journey skeptical it would actually work as well as conventional products. What happened changed not just my cleaning routine, but my entire family's daily health. Stay with me to the end, because this transformation has real lessons for everyone. The wake-up call that started everything. My transformation began after my daughter developed unexplained skin irritation and respiratory symptoms that worsened specifically after I cleaned. Our pediatrician asked detailed questions about our household products, eventually suggesting that chemical sensitivities might be contributing to her symptoms. This conversation hit me hard. I'd been using harsh chemical cleaners throughout our home for years, without questioning their cumulative effects on my family's health. I decided to commit to a genuine 90-day transformation, systematically replacing every toxic product with non-toxic alternatives, documenting everything honestly, including challenges and failures along the way. I wasn't approaching this as a marketing exercise, but as genuine necessity for my family's well-being. What I discovered over those 3 months fundamentally changed how I think about cleaning, efficiency, and what clean actually means. Before I share my complete transformation journey and what actually changed for my family, if you're concerned about chemical exposure in your own home, hit that like button right now. And if you want an honest account rather than exaggerated promises, subscribe to The Big Sweep and turn on notifications, because this journey taught me genuinely important lessons. Let's get into it. Month 1. The difficult transition. The first month was genuinely challenging. I replaced commercial all-purpose cleaners with diluted white vinegar solutions, bathroom cleaners with baking soda pastes, and glass cleaners with vinegar water mixtures. Some adjustments were seamless. Vinegar-based glass cleaning actually outperformed my previous commercial product with zero streaking. Other transitions required real learning curves. My first attempts at natural grout cleaning required significantly more scrubbing effort than I expected before I found the right baking soda paste consistency. I won't pretend everything worked perfectly immediately. Some stubborn kitchen grease initially resisted natural alternatives until I learned proper techniques, like applying paste and allowing dwell time before scrubbing, rather than expecting instant results like spray and wipe chemical products. Month 2. Finding my rhythm. By month 2, I'd developed reliable recipes and techniques for most cleaning challenges. My daughter's skin irritation had noticeably decreased, though I want to be honest that I can't definitively prove this was solely from product changes versus other factors changing simultaneously. However, the timing correlation was significant enough that our pediatrician considered it meaningful. I discovered genuine efficiency gains I hadn't expected. Using fewer multi-purpose natural ingredients meant less time hunting for specific specialized products, and the simplified system actually streamlined my cleaning routine once I'd learned proper applications. Month 3. Honest assessment. By the end of 90 days, my home was successfully maintained without harsh chemical products. Some areas, like heavy grease removal, required more patience and technique than chemical products, while others, like glass and mirror cleaning, genuinely performed better naturally. I'm not claiming non-toxic cleaning is universally superior in every single application, but for our family's specific health needs, the trade-offs were absolutely worth it. My honest 90-day non-toxic home transformation. Real challenges, genuine successes, and meaningful health improvements for my family. If this honest journey resonated with you, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more authentic home transformation content. Share with anyone considering reducing chemical exposure at home. Comment about your own experiences with non-toxic cleaning. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, clean thoughtfully, prioritize health, and remember that smarter cleaning is absolutely achievable.